So I have an Acura TLS sway bar for my '01 Accord. This is a 19 millimeter. I actually have an 18 millimeter on it right now. This is from a regular TL. The Accord comes with a 17 millimeter sway bar standard. You can see my car here. I painted the sway bar with some Rust-Oleum so it can avoid the grime that I've gotten over the years on this one. I'm just trying to tighten up the steering a little bit more just to add some performance in its old age. So I have some new bushings as well from ACDELCO. These are aftermarket. I got them from Rockauto. I'll put the part number in the description. And these are the 19 millimeter ones. And the other thing here is that I got these brackets that came with the sway bar when it was mounted on the TLS in the salvage yard. And you want to get these from the seller so that way they will match the bushings. So I've got them installed. We're looking at 12 millimeter bolts right here, one on each side, and that's the bracket. These are torqued to 16 foot-pounds, and then when the sway bar connects to the end link, that is 29 foot-pounds. So I wanted to report some of the initial findings with the new 19 millimeter sway bar. And I actually had my wife drive it first to see what she thought, and she described it as being zippy. She doesn't care. She'll give an impartial opinion on car stuff, so we'll go with that. The car feels a little more zippy. And what I've noticed, though, is that it feels more stable up at highway speeds. The car just feels a little bit more solid, and I know your suspension, your alignment, and your tires have something to do with that. So that is something to check as well if you're doing this mod and it doesn't feel right. I also find that you can take corners a little harder, but this is a 4-cylinder car and you're only going to drive the car so hard anyway without endangering your safety or making something mechanically go wrong in the car, like your engine or transmission. And I just hit 338,000 miles on this car, so we want to keep it a little longer if we can. I got it through state inspection though, so yeah, I hope that helps. Good luck out there. Again, I'll have OEM part numbers as well as links to eBay. You could also try this website called Car-Part, which is a full-service salvage yard website, and just make some calls and see if anyone has the Acura TL or the TLS for the 18 or the 19 millimeter sway bar. So yeah, we'll see you next time.